Okay, so is this working? Yay! So, Justin's challenge. I'm on my way to a rock concert, actually a 3-day festival rock concert, and it's gonna be hella wicked awesome. And I am gonna include some footage of it, but I'm supposed to film a video on my way to something, and it's really hot out, and I'm excited. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm going with Keisha actually, and yeah, we're gonna dance and stuff, and it's gonna be hella sweet. So I will catch you guys later. Bye. Get in here. We're at Rock the Shores. This is Nameless Nerds Wednesday. Have a great day. You know what? I've actually been on the island for the last 4 days. I want to say this, and I mean this with every ounce of truth and conviction, that not only do you live in one of the most beautiful, scenic places in all the world, honest and pure and beautiful and kind and gentle. All the fucking bands in the play here. And we'll play here. Thank you so much for being so fucking cool. So far is me shot. Forgive me, Father. Why should you bother? For the biggest knockers a few minutes ago over there. I'm glad she left. It was very distracting. Okay. I got the devil on my shoulder. The devil on my shoulder.
So hi guys, that was all my footage that I got at Rock the Shores. I know it's not really quality. I didn't bring my nice shiny camera with me because even though it's an adventure-proof camera, I was in a mosh pit for most of Saturday, so I don't really have any cool wounds or anything to show you. I got some bruises, but so yeah, no real serious injuries. Some dude fell on the ground in front of me at one point and snapped his arm. Like, this bone was just like, yeah, it was really harsh. And then I went crowd surfing, despite that's how he broke his arm after he fell on the ground in front of me and it snapped. Yeah, real incentive to go do the same thing that dude did, but it was a lot of fun. I'm gonna keep this really short. I'm not doing Nicole's Sour Challenge. I'm sorry. This week. I'll do it next week, of course, definitely, because I love sour things so much. And I used to try and get my friends to find me the most sour candy they could, like something that would just completely make me cry how sour it was. So yeah, I really like sour things, so I'm gonna get a whole bunch of sour candies. But I'm going to do that next week because this week I have had to spend my entire time in my house because I am packing because I'm moving to Burnaby. So totally not copying Justin, but I am moving to Burnaby for school reasons. So I was not able to get out of the house today and get all of the things that I want to make the perfect sour challenge video, so that will have to wait until after I've moved. Hopefully my move and the internet and everything is easy to set up. So, in case it's not, I'll just go and eat a bunch of sour candies and film it on my phone and upload it somewhere or somehow. So cross your fingers that my internet isn't stupid at that house. Also, what else? Oh yeah, how are we beating the heat? I think that was a question. How are we beating the heat? Well, currently I'm in the basement of my house, which is, I mean, these walls are kind of ugly, so I don't normally spend a lot of time down here, but I set up a bed, because this is where we normally have the guests sleep if we have someone sleepovers. We have a fold-out bed. And, so yeah, it's downstairs where it's cool and I can actually get to sleep. And I got a window propped open. There. I got a window propped open there. So it's nice and cool and there's a breeze and I love it. Yeah. I'm trying to think if there's any other questions at the moment. Anything else I want to say? Yeah, congrats to Zach on his 2-year anniversary. Woo! Honor some friends. That's pretty sick. Congrats to Justin for moving. Yeah! Totally know how you're feeling about moving out and getting a new place. I will probably be having much the same sentiment in my next video. And I'm really sorry to hear Justin's computer isn't working. That's not cool. I really hope it gets fixed for you soon. And yeah, Nicole, sorry to hear that your work schedule got screwed up last week. Yeah, I had a lot of fun this weekend. That's my video. Bye everybody, have a great Wednesday. Whoosh.